Hey loves, welcome back and thank you so much for watching. Today we are going to be doing a little makeup haul. I recently placed an order with Tarte, Essence makeup, and then I also went to Sephora and picked up a couple things. So I wanted to just go ahead and show you guys my makeup that I just recently purchased. And I know I might have just said that it was like kind of a little makeup haul, but it's a little more than a little. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. I'm gonna start with my Essence makeup stuff first. If you guys don't know, Essence is one of my favorite brands. It's very affordable and it's really good quality products. Honestly, a lot of times I find a lot of dupes for higher end products in the Essence makeup line. So I decided to go ahead and go on their personal website and place an order. I usually buy Essence makeup from Ulta, but I was kind of curious to see like what their sales selection was and if their website was different than Ulta, and there was some newer products on there. So I did go ahead and pick up some of their newer products. A new product that they came out recently is concealer. They recently came out with the Essence Camouflage Full Coverage Concealer. And if you thought the same thing I did when I saw this, it was camouflage concealer that sounds really familiar. Catrice, which is also a kind of more affordable brand sold at Ulta, has camouflage concealer too. And what I didn't know was Essence and Catrice are makeup sisters. They're owned by the same company. So I thought that was kind of cool. So this is what it looks like right here. It claims to be a full coverage concealer. It has a little wand right here. I got two shades. I got the shade Ivory and the shade Nude. So I'm really excited to try these out. These look really good. They look very similar to the Catrice Camouflage Concealer, but I love finding affordable concealer that are higher coverage, you know, like kind of like the Tarte Shape Tape, but more affordable. I do like the Tarte Shape Tape, but I don't think that it's worth almost $30 for a concealer. So anytime that I can find something like $5 or $6 that I can make work like the Tarte Shape Tape, I definitely go ahead and do that. So I'm really excited about those. Let me see if I can figure out if I can tell you guys how much everything is. Alright, let me go on the website here. So these concealers actually go for $3.99, so that's really not bad at all. The next thing I picked up is this Essence Matte Bronzer. They have two shades. They have a shade for lighter skin and a shade for darker skin. So I did go ahead and get the lighter skin because the darker skin looked too cool tone for me. This pan is huge. Like, look at it compared to my face. Like, this pan is huge, and I just really love matte bronzers. So anytime I can find a more affordable bronzer, I definitely go ahead and pick that up. So this one looks really good right here. And this matte bronzer retails for $4.99. So that's pretty good. So the next thing I picked up is this blush right here. It says Essence Blush Up Powder Blush in the shade Heat Wave. And this is pretty cool because it actually goes from a hot pink to an orange. It's almost like an ombre blush. I thought it'd be really good for summertime. And this was actually on their sale section for only $1.99. So that's why I picked it up. So I'm excited about that. So the next thing I picked up is the Lash Princess Mascara, the False Lash Effect one. Everyone raves about this mascara, so I was like, I have to pick it up. I have to see what everyone is raving about. So I'm really excited about this. This mascara ranges for $5, so it's pretty good. I'm pretty excited to see how good this mascara is. The next thing I got is something new that I've only seen on their website. I haven't really seen it anywhere else. They have like a winter dreaming collection, and this is a 2-in-1 highlighter and blush powder. So I don't know if you can see, but there's a highlighter and then there's a blush. So I was like, that is pretty freaking cool. So the highlighter is like, here, let me swatch it. It's kind of like a champagne-y, it's not going to really show up on my skin tone because it's really light. It's like a champagne-y, goldy, peachy color. Is the best way I can describe it. And then the blush is kind of more of like a mauve tone blush. So I thought that was really cool to have a 2-in-1, especially for like traveling and things like that. So I was excited to pick that up as well. And this duo right here goes for $5.99 on their website. So that was a pretty good deal to get a blush and a highlighter together for only $6. So the next thing I got here is their setting spray. Essence has an instant matte makeup setting spray with Evermatte oil free. And I didn't know that they had a setting spray, so when I went on the website and I saw that, I was like, that might be cool. I was like thinking that it might be similar to the NYX matte setting spray. So I'm eager to try this out and see how it is comparable to the NYX one. And this is $4.99 on the website. So again, everything is so affordable, and you can usually find a coupon for like 15-20% off, so you're getting even more discounted price. And Ulta usually runs a buy one get one half off, so you can always find sales on top of it already being an affordable makeup brand. So I love Essence. If you haven't tried Essence, you definitely should. I'm highly considering doing a video dedicated to Essence, talking about which products are like my holy grails, which products are my favorites, and which products are not so much. And to kind of like give you like an inside look as to which products I think would be the best to purchase from the Essence brand and things like that. Let me know down below if you guys are interested in seeing a full video dedicated to Essence makeup. Alright, so now we're getting into my Tarte box. So my birthday is January 4th. So Tarte had sent me an email for 20% off coupon for my birthday plus a free birthday gift. So I went ahead and purchased kind of a big order from them. I needed a couple things, so to get 20% off plus a free birthday gift, it kind of sold me. So the first thing I got here is this Tarte Skincare High Performance Naturals Top Selfie Essentials. This is what it looks like right here. There is the Tight and Bright Clay Multi Mask. There is the Maracuja Sea Brightener Eye Cream. And the Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. And then the 4-in-1 Setting Mist. So you have a setting mist, a face moisturizer, an eye cream, and then a face mask. So I thought that this was a really good deal to get all together, and it was only $36. So that is pretty good right there. Anytime that I run out of skincare, I tend to buy like a gift set like this with different brands because I want to try multiple brand skincare items, but I don't want to have to commit to a full size or pay for a full size unless I absolutely love it. I really do like the Maracuja Sea Brightener Eye Cream. I had run out of mine a while ago, and I was like contemplating just purchasing that. So when I saw this with it, I was like, I'm just going to get all together to see if what other Tarte skincare items I like. So yeah, so I'm really excited to try this and see how the face mask is and how the moisturizer and thing like that. So I'll definitely keep you guys updated on that. Next thing I got from Tarte is this little blinged out eyelash curler, and it comes with a Tarteist mascara. And the reason why I got this is because I have no idea where my eyelash curler is. I lost it like a long time ago, and I just, instead of buying like a cheapy one somewhere, I decided I wanted to kind of get a nice one. And then when I saw this with bling and a mascara, it just sold me. So that's why I ended up getting that. And this was actually on sale. Originally it's $20, and it's on sale for $15. Plus I got the 20% off, so that was a good deal as well. This little thing. So I don't know if I told you guys recently, but I've been trying really hard to figure out how to put false eyelashes on, false lashes. And the biggest thing that I researched when I was watching 1,000,001 YouTube videos on how to do it is to get a really good pair of tweezers. So I read a lot of reviews on the Tarte one, so I ended up picking it up. It's a longer tweezer that's kind of curved. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. That's kind of curved, so it helps hold the lashes so that you're able to get it on better. Whereas straight tweezers, you kind of almost poke yourself in the eye like I have a couple times. So I ended up picking this up, and it's called the Little Lash Helper. And it ranged for $14 on their website. And I'm really glad that I did because I have used it a couple times, and it definitely does help me apply false lashes a hell of a lot easier. Just like how it holds it and it's curved, it just allows you to kind of work with the shape of your eye and the shape of the lashes a little better. So I'm really excited that I try this. I'm kind of bummed that I spent $14 on it because I was in Ulta the other day and they had like a clearance rack where Ulta themselves, Ulta Beauty, makes pretty much the same thing for a fraction of the price. I think it was like $5, and I was like, so I was just like, I'm just gonna pretend like I don't see this, because I was pretty mad because I would have returned this and got the $5. But anyways, so if you're looking for one, check Ulta. They have one, and if you are having a lot of difficulties putting on false lashes, I would highly recommend getting something like this. Next, I got this High Performance Toast the Good Life eye brush set. So it looks like right here, the bristles are purple and the arms of the brushes are a black glitter. And honestly, I was kind of disappointed when I opened up my box and I saw this. I thought I was getting more of a luxury brush set with it being Tarte and it being, I think it was like $40 or something like that. And it looked a lot different on the website. So when I saw it kind of in this packaging and like the glitter on the arms is kind of like cheesy and things like that, I was kind of bummed, and I was like, I don't know if I should open this, should I return it? Not really sure yet. Maybe I'll open it and kind of feel the brushes and see. But basically what I've been doing I don't know, probably the past month is I'm going through all of my makeup brushes, and I am pretty much giving away and getting rid of more than half of my brushes, and I'm just like purchasing new ones, kind of like purging and just getting rid of the old and getting some new in. I bought a lot of the XOXO brushes, and I bought a lot of the Real Techniques holiday sets that they had over the Christmas time. I really love XOXO and I really love Real Techniques, and right now Ulta's having buy two get one free, so I did end up getting a lot of the brushes there. I just think the quality of those brushes are really good. They wash well, they last a long time, so to me they're worth the price. You can get a good amount of brushes in a set, like a set of 5 or whatever, for not that much, and especially with it being buy two get one free, you end up getting even more bang for your buck. And the ones that I ended up getting actually came in like a little tin, and that's actually what I'm using to organize my brushes right now. So I'm in the process of organizing all my makeup, going through it, getting rid of stuff, and once I do plan on filming a makeup collection video, so be on the look for that. But back to these brushes. I don't know, I just thought that they were going to look a little better than this, so I'm kind of curious to see what they feel like. So I'm just going to kind of grab one, and they're like smaller than I anticipated. Like I anticipated them to be a little bit longer, but I don't know. I mean, it's soft, but we'll see how they work. These are my first Tarte brushes ever. I've never purchased any of their makeup application stuff, like any of their sponges or their brushes or anything like that. So we'll see how it goes. Alright, so the last thing I have here is like this little mini skincare set thing that I saw that I was interested in. It's called the Delightful Discovery Skincare and Color Set. So what comes in here is their eye patches, pack your bags, 911 under eye rescue patches. These really intrigued me for a long time. I was debating between getting this little set with these other products in here or strictly getting the eye patches, but I really wanted to try them out before I splurged on, I think it's like a 6-pack or whatever it may be. And the reason why I was really interested in them is because during these winter months, my skin is extra dry. My skin is dry all year round, but it's extra dry in the skin. It's extra dry in the winter, and I live in Connecticut, so it's really cold. And I wanted to get some sort of eye patch that's really going to bring moisture back into under my eyes. Especially I find that a lot of times it's hard for me to put concealer on because my under eyes are so dry and literally nothing will blend. So I'm interested to see how well these work. I know they have good reviews, and I've heard that you can reuse them multiple times if you store them right and put them in the fridge and things like that. So I'm definitely going to try these out. I want to try those out, and then I also want to try the Skin Iceland ones. Those are pretty pricey too. I think they're like $30 for like a 6-pack. So I want to try both those out and see which ones I like better. Let's see what else is in here. So also in here are these like little minis. This is the Brighter Days Highlighting Moisturizer. So that's like a little mini to try. This is the Fake Awake, which is like a cream gel eyeliner stick to kind of brighten up your waterline, make your eyes look bigger. And then this is the Twinkle Stick Spotlight, which is like a stick highlighter. So pretty excited to try all those products out. I think this was like under $10, which is why I decided to get that, because I wanted to try multiple products. So excited about that. And then the last thing I got from Tarte was my free little matte lipstick or lip paint, and it's in the shade FOMO. This was like my free gift for my birthday. So looks like a cute little mauve color. I'm excited to try that. So I was in New York. I went to Saratoga, New York, I think like a couple weeks ago, and we went to the mall and I went to Sephora strictly for this item. I was contemplating getting it online, but I really only wanted that and I didn't want to pay for shipping for it. So it is another skincare value set. It is the Tatcha Bestsellers set. This is what it is. It comes with the Pure One Step Chamomile. That's not what it says. Pure One Step Camellia cleansing oil. I don't know. It's a cleansing oil. That's what it is. Polished Classic Rice Enzyme Powder, which is, I believe, an exfoliator. The water cream, which is their moisturizer, and the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. So this really intrigues me a lot. I have been dying to try Tatcha forever, but it's so freaking expensive. Like, if I were to get full sizes of each of these things, it'd probably be $200. And I believe that this was only like $50, I want to say. So this is what it looks like right here when you open it up. They're a little bit on the smaller sides. They're deluxe samples pretty much, but it's enough product to like kind of try out to know if I really want to go ahead and purchase full sizes of these products. Discover our best-selling ritual rooted in the geisha's beauty secrets. Time-tested ingredients help minimize excess oil while preserving natural moisture for a beautifully balanced complexion. These natural actives are as effective as they are pure, advanced by science to reveal brighter, smoother, baby soft skin. So I'm really excited about this. Even when I was like checking out at Sephora, they're like, oh, this stuff is so good, you're gonna love it, blah blah blah. Coco. My cat's over there playing with the concealer. So I'm really excited about both of these, trying both of these out. I have more of like a combination skin. I have really dry skin, but my T-zone does get oily. I have acne prone skin, I have sensitive skin, I get a lot of redness and irritation and things like that. So just in case you're curious as to what my skin type is. So that is all the damage I have done so far. And I may or may not have placed a recent order with Ulta and Sephora, so there may be another haul coming up. But anyways, give this video a thumbs up if you like hauls, and also let me know down below which products I purchased that you've tried. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know if any of them kind of interest you and you think you might be purchasing as well. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.